Welcome to Venezuela. My name is Paola Berbesi. I'm an architecture student and I'm going to talk about some aspects related to architecture but referring to Venezuela. Colors are significant in the architecture of the Venezuelan towns. These show happiness and curiosity. They contrast with the green environment of mountains. Colors also divide one house from another. The use of light in Venezuela is critical. The electric light in the cities is low. We find dark avenues and highways being dangerous for the community. In Venezuela, we can find different textures. The integration between buildings and nature create interesting textures such as the coast in some cities. Traditional or colonial architecture has a solid and rustic texture. Acoustics in architecture is shown in theaters around the country, with elements made to achieve the maximum function of a theater. In the traditional churches of Venezuela, you can see an acoustic for their design, generally in the shape of a cross. In the colonial streets of Venezuela, we can see that the facades form a rhythm, such as columns separated by equal distances or windows. This is common to see it in colonial buildings. In the city of Caracas, there are many tall buildings that emphasize vertical circulation. On the other hand, there are long avenues that invite you to circulate horizontally. However, the urban design of cities in Venezuela is not optimal. It is common in the colonial architecture of Venezuela to form spaces with columns and large walls. The height of the spaces is usually large compared to the human scale, so they have high ceilings. This is Venezuela and its traditional architecture.